Hello and welcome back to another Now You Know with Yorktown Joe. Today we're taking a look at G.I. Joe Classified Dial Tone, the Joe's communication specialist other than Breaker. We're going to take a look at the box and then a quick look on the back of the box. There is the figure in some type of action diorama, and we don't know if that's just a background scene or if someone has built that whole situation out. That looks really cool. And here he is with all of his accessories and completely out of the box. He looks pretty clever here. We've got the figure. Bray is removable. Looks like he's got comms built into his sculpt. Looks very intense, looking to the horizon, keeping an eye out for any Cobra activity so he can report back to base. He also has this, I think they call that a parabolic mic, where he can catch sounds from afar. He's got a SMG there, and it looks like there's instead of a scope, there's a slot for his smartphone or phablet, maybe? Could be a cross between a phone and a tablet. All right. And a knife in case everything else fails. Got to be able to take care of business or open your new action figures. But the creme de la creme is, of course, this communications backpack. It's got, just like in the 80s, 1986, I believe, has a mic that comes down, but this in the back, let's see, I can get this open. All right, check out all the detail in there. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. It's got a keypad, looks like some analog display. Look at all the they didn't have to do that. That is some excellent design work. Way to go, Lenny and Tony and the design team. That's top notch. All right. Thanks for watching, and now you know a little bit more about G.I. Joe's Dial Tone. Now you know with Yorktown Joe. See you next time.